Hi children, today we are going to do a flower. All we require is 2 circles of 4 inches diameter in yellow paper, 8 pink strips 1 inch each, 1 green, and half a page of the green paper, Fevicol and a scissors. Let's start. Once you've drawn your circle and cut it out, you got to put the strips at the 4 corners first. So you put it one here, the second one here, third and fourth. So that's how we're going to do it. First we put the 4 corners and let it dry. Once we've done that, we have 4 pieces left. We're going to put them in between to make the flower. So we're going to put gum here on the 4 pieces inside, and we're going to stick it. There goes. Okay, we've done that much. Now we have this green paper left, which we're going to put in between the 2 which is below. So we're going to put our stem of the flower right in between. Once you've done this, you got to put gum on the inside of these, as you can see, and I'm just turning it over. 1, 2, turning them over. 3, 4. I have not put gum on the green one. 5, 6, 7 and 8. This will give you a 3-dimensional look. Once you have done that, take your other circle, put gum on it right around, and stick it. On top of it. There you have your flower, which is ready. Now you can put a string and hold it up. That's how you do your flower. Now to make it look attractive, you can color it inside with felt pens. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do a design inside. So I'm going to do an outline first of my flower. And I'm going to do another line here. And now I'm going to just do scallops or round circles. You can do whatever you want. You can do a scribble, you can do scallops, you can do whatever you want and make it look good. If I do scribbles, also looks pretty. See? Here is my flower, 3-dimensional flower. Now with this paper, fold it into half, cut it out and make a leaf. I'm cutting it out again to make a leaf. Once you've cut out your leaf, you can stick it on the stem, and there is your flower with the leaf. You can use this as decor when you're having a party in the house. Whatever you want to do, you can do it like that. Make one and send it back to us. Thank you.